Hi, my name is Richard Yoerg, and today we're going to talk about how to create a floating capture page over any website. And for more information, you can go to www.richardyoerg.com. Now, what is a floating capture form? It's a form that you create that pops over any existing website. Like you see here on my Twitter page, you can see in the center there a little pop-up video. Okay, now you can only get to the form by creating a special URL. As you can see, twitter.secret4mlmsuccess.com. It doesn't alter the website that you put the form on, and if they go to the regular address of the website, like twitter.com/Richard Yoerg, they will not see the form. Now, once you buy the system, you'll receive a confirmation email from the company. You click on the link inside your email, and you can see it there. Now, if you'd like to purchase the system, please go to www.secret4mlmsuccess.com, and also I can show you a way where you can get the entire system for free. And there's your login screen. Just put your username and password provided to you in the email from the company, and of course, you can always change it once you get into the system. Once you log in, this is your home page, and anything you want to do from this page, you do. Now you need to click on the Marketing tab, and then this tab opens up, and click on the Floating Capture Form. Now you want to click on Create a New Floating Capture Form, or if you'd like, you can also play the instructional video that comes with the system. Now click on Go, and we're ready to build your new form. Now, we will not explain increase your sales or copy and edit this floating capture form in this particular video. Now enter the name you want to call your floating capture site. Now this is for your purpose only, so you can keep track of them if you make more than one. Like I have several of these things floating around. The next thing to do is what you want to show on your survey field. Okay. You want to definitely display the first name and make it mandatory. The email address, make it mandatory, and everything else I use is optional. Now, the less things that you have on your opt-in form, the more likely somebody is to fill it out. But you can see you have a lot of different things there that you can choose from. Step 2, if you have an Aweber account, you can hook up the system to the Aweber account. Here I choose not to do that. And step 3 is setting up an autoresponder campaign. Here I choose with this particular system no campaign, but you can pick from a list of pre-made, or you can build your own email campaign. Step 4, where do you want them to go after they fill out the form? Where do you want them to go? I choose here twitter.com/Richard Yoerg. Step 5, sending the customer to the social media list builder is just after they go onto the system and fill it out. That's where they can go. Step 6 is optional, and we'll talk about this at another time. And don't forget to save changes to your floating capture form. Now this is what your floating capture form, what you want to say on your floating capture form. Step A, okay, we need to put a title to your form, basically anything you'd want. Step B, a headline. Step C, a subheadline. And step D, the body of your text. Basically, as you can see there's one already pre-made. What is it costing you when you're not capturing the contact information of people going to your websites like Facebook and Twitter? Enter your contact information, discover how you can use a form like this on any website for free. And that's just a default one that I use sometimes also. Step E is a PS if you'd like. Step PSS if you like. And these last two steps are optional. And again, don't forget to save the changes. Now next, if you want to put a video in your floating capture form, you have three options to choose from. You can choose from the video library. It's in the system. You can use a YouTube video from another website, like for a YouTube video, or if you don't want to put a video. If you want to use a video from the library, all you need to do is click the name next to the video, and again, click here to automatically save your choice of videos. We're almost done, and now we can preview what we have done. Just click here to preview, and here's what your floating capture form is going to look like. As you can see, the header I put in, imagine this on your website with your text and video. Then it has a video there. Then the body, the floating form, and click here for instant access. After you preview the form, and if you like it, you can click Create Simulator, or if you want to edit it, click Edit, or Get Code. And the reason why you'd want to get code is if you have access to the HTML of your own personal website. Now we give a title to your form just like we did in the previous slide. I'm naming this one Rich's Twitter site. Okay, again, this is just for your purpose only. Where do you want the form to appear? What website do you want to appear it on? Here I have it. I want to appear it on my twitter.com/Richard Yoerg site, and create a unique address for the simulator. Here it's http://twitter.secret4mlmsuccess.com, and that's how you get to the floating form. And again, click to create the simulator. This is the last step to test to see if your floating capture form works, and you're done. As you can see, it's very easy to do. Only takes seconds to create a floating capture form. And if you want more information about this, you can also go to www.richardyoerg.com. And thank you very much for choosing to watch this video.